Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Kashyap. I am from Graphic Era, Hill University, Bhimtal campus, and I am from section B. My roll number is 69. I am here to represent my Moocs presentation. Let us discuss about the introduction to web development, exploring the world of web development, and learn how to create website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Discover the fundamental of web design and web programming on your journey to become a skilled web developer. In HTML fundamentals, three things are required: structure, markup, rendering. In structure, HTML provides the basic structure of web page using tags like heading, paragraph, links, etc. In markup, HTML markup allow you to define the layout and content of a web page, including images, table, and interactive elements. In rendering, web browser provide HTML code and render the web page, displaying it to the user visually appearing and functional way. In next, we are discussing about the CSS essentials. Four things are required: selectors, box model, cascade, and inheritance responsive design. In selector, CSS selector allow you to target and style simple tags and HTML elements. In box model, the three topics are required: padding, border, and margin is crucial for creating layout. In cascade and inheritance, CSS cascade and inheritance determine how styles are applied, enabling and maintainable style sheet. In responsive design, CSS, media queries, and flexible units empower web design to create adaptable, mobile-friendly websites. In JavaScript basics, writing code, data types, and control flow functions is required. In writing code, the basic requires JavaScript script syntax and structure to write your first line of code from declaring variables and functions in it. In data types, there are many types of data types such as numbers, strings, booleans, and array, and how to work with them efficiently. In control flow, understand how to use understanding how to use conditional statement, loops, and branching logic to control the flow of your JavaScript program and make them more dynamic. In functions, there are few types of functions and explore how to pass parameter in functions and leverage function scopes. Next things is responsive web design. In responsive web design is a crucial approach to building website that adapts seamlessly to different sizes and devices by leverage flexible layout, media queries, and create experience that provide optimal viewing and interaction across a wide range of platforms. This approach ensures that content and functionality remain accessible and visually appealing regardless of whether users are accessing the site from a desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone. Next thing is web accessibility. In web accessibility, inclusive design, legal complaints, and improved UX, diverse audience. In inclusive design, web accessibility means designing website and application that can be used by people with disabilities. These include provide features like alt text for images, closed caption for videos, and keyboard navigation. Legal complaints: many countries have laws that require website to meet accessibility standards, ensuring your website is accessible. Help in improved UX. Accessible design often result in better user experience for all users, not just those with disabilities. Diverse audience: making your website accessible opens it up to users with a wide range of abilities, devices, and background. These expand your reach and potential customer base. Next thing is JavaScript frameworks and libraries. Three frameworks are used: React.js, Angular, Vue.js. In React.js, React is a popular JavaScript library for building dynamic user interfaces. It uses a component-based architecture and DOM to efficient update and UI. It is basically used for single-based application process in Angular is a compressive framework for building complex web applications. It provides a structured approach to development with features like two-way data binding and dependency injection. Vue.js is a progressive framework that is flexible and easy to integrate into existing projects. It focuses on the view layer and can be easily scaled up for large applications. Next thing is web application development. Three stages are required: front-end development, back-end development, full stack optimization. In front-end development, three more than one language is used like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue is dynamic web apps. In backend integration, logic and API to power your web application. Utilize languages like Node.js, but basically use Node.js, Python, or PHP to handle data storage, business rule, and user authentication. It is basically used to store the data and that thing. Full stack optimization is the front end plus back end development. Optimize the entire web application stack for performance, security, scalability. Implement best practices in coding, testing, and deployment to deliver seamless user experience. Next thing is conclusion and next steps. In the comprehensive web development program, you are gained a solid foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you move forward, exploring emerging framework and libraries to build your dynamic responsive application. Keep learning and quits to create innovative digital experience. Thank you.